everyone. Today's lesson is all about transforming a simple photograph into a conceptual poster with storytelling elements. You'll learn how to combine texture, symbolism, and composition to achieve a creative visual narrative. Start with a basic photo. Any object or person will do. Add a clean gradient background that complements your subject but doesn't overpower it. Now bring in high-resolution textures such as paper, dust, or fabric. Set these textures to multiply or overlay and adjust opacity until they blend smoothly. Next, pick a symbolic visual, like a geometric shape, flame icon, abstract wave, or floating sphere. Place it near the subject to create a conceptual connection. Use layer masks to blend